Hi, I'm Abby.
And I'm Sean. And today we're here to talk about our custom dinette tables that we have available from RecPro. Now, we would show you a wide variety of our custom tables, but we don't have an example because you haven't designed it yet.
But we do have an example of what your table will look like from our dinette table line. And this color here is granite chocolate, which is one of your color options for your custom table.
As well as aluminum imperial. But we have some other examples too.
Metallic,
Granite coffee,
mahogany,
pearl soapstone,
black textured,
charcoal matrix,
rustic oxide,
white essence, white cypress.
Santo Senza.
I love Santa.
With these custom tables, you can choose your width and your depth, along with either 1 or 2 pedestal legs.
And every one of our tables, custom or standard dinette tables, are made with RecLite hollow core foam. That means it's lightweight and you'll see up to 40% reduction in your table weight, which will help with your RV's gas mileage. Thanks very much for joining us.
And to shop these custom tables, just click on the link below. And don't forget, subscribe below. For 2 peas in a pod.